If you're a coach or a content creator, there's a fair chance you've thought about publishing your own book. Now, fortunately, that doesn't have to mean penning a 300-page volume in your area of expertise. You can create a low-content book instead. If you haven't heard of them before, low-content books are exactly what the name implies. Books with smaller amounts of content or no content at all, such as daily planners, guided journals, workbooks, or activity books, to name a few. Now, these types of books are surprisingly easy to create and are very well suited to coaches and content creators alike. In this short little video, you're going to find out how low-content publishing can work synergistically with your coaching business or for content creators to grow your audience, build your brand and authority, and increase your revenue. Welcome, I'm Rachel Harrison-Sund, and I help online entrepreneurs make more money so they can live more life. If that's you, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified each time I post a new video every single Monday. Now, as a coach or a content creator, there are many ways that you can incorporate branded low-content books into your mix of offerings. For example, if you're in the health and wellness industry, you could create a daily health tracker or a stress relief coloring book. If you're in the productivity space, you could create daily planners or a dot grid journal. Life or career coaches could produce a guided journal, and if you're a course creator, supplementary workbooks could be a good low-content option. Now, as for creating low-content books, it's probably much easier than you think. All you really need to create is one file for the interior content plus one file for the cover. Once you've created those files, you'll sign up for a free Kindle Direct Publishing account and then upload them. Next, you're just going to add your book's title, pricing information, and when everything looks good, you'll hit publish, and then your book is available and for sale on Amazon. When someone goes ahead and buys a copy, Amazon will print it off and ship it directly to the customer with absolutely no extra effort from you. When it comes to creating the interior and cover files for your book, you have a couple of options. You can create them yourself, and despite what you might think, you don't need to be a professional designer. You can find stock imagery and even pre-made interior templates on design resource sites like Creative Fabrica, which happens to be my favorite go-to image site. And I've linked to them down in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. Now, once you've found images or templates you like, you can simply just customize them to suit the purpose of your particular book. I have got tons of tutorials for creating low-content books right here on this channel, and I cover a lot of different software options for you to get the job done, so I'll link to a few of them in the description below as well. You can also download my free guide, 3 Steps to Publishing Your First Low-Content Book in Less Than a Day to get you started. That guide will have you off to the races in no time flat. You can look for that link down in the description also. Now, if you don't want to create the files yourself, hiring a designer on Upwork or Fiverr can be an affordable option. Now, let's talk about how adding low-content books to your business offerings can help grow your audience, build your brand, and increase your revenue. Now, to help grow your audience with any low-content book that you create, offer anyone who purchases your book a high-value freebie, also known as a lead magnet, in exchange for their email address. Before you publish your book on KDP, create your downloadable freebie and set up a landing page to host it. Then include a prompt inside your book for people to visit the landing page URL and enter their email address. This freebie can be anything that's related to your niche or the book you're publishing. If you're in the health space, maybe you offer a PDF of your top 10 favorite recipes, or you could offer something like a 5-minute guided meditation audio file. If you're a yoga teacher, maybe it's a short yoga sequence on video. There really are endless options here, no matter the industry that you're in. My own personal example is the 3 Steps to Publishing Your First Low-Content Book in Less Than a Day that I just offered you a couple of minutes ago. That guide has been downloaded literally tens of thousands of times. Lead magnets really can be extremely effective. Now, you'll also want to create an email nurture sequence for those new subscribers to your email list in which you continue to provide value without selling to them right off the bat. After you've continued to offer real value over the course of a few emails, then you can introduce your first offer. Now, using a freebie really is the best way to build your email list, especially when you're first starting out, and offering that freebie from inside your books is a great way to get people onto your list. Okay, let's talk branding. When you're building your brand, it is important to remember that branding isn't just about logos and visual identity. Your brand is really more about you. It's your persona. It's how you make your audience feel and how your audience perceives you in relation to everyone else in your space. Now, publishing high-quality, low-content books related to your business can have several positive results. These books will increase your online presence. They can help you become more well-known in your space over the course of time as more people discover your books. They can help illustrate your professionalism, authority, and credibility in your industry. And they can help build the know, like, and trust factors with your audience so that they're more likely to take your main offers seriously. Now, because you'll be selling the low content books you create, they have the potential to increase the overall revenue of your business as well. Now, to make the most out of this opportunity, you'll want to use your email list to promote your books. So whether you've got 1,000 people on your list, 100 people, or even just one, you have an audience to promote your books to. Now, once you've used your nurture sequence to provide value to new email subscribers, you can begin to promote your book or your books via email. Now, as your list grows over time, you will have more people to promote your books to, which will increase your earning potential. To increase the chances people on your email list will buy your books, consider what types of books might work best with your main offers. So as I already mentioned earlier, branded daily health trackers, stress relief coloring books, those might work well for people in the health and wellness industry. Productivity coaches and content creators could publish branded daily planners or dot grid journals. Life coaches and career coaches could produce a guided journal, and course creators could create supplementary workbooks to go along with their courses. Now here's a bonus tip. Set yourself up as an Amazon affiliate so that you can earn a commission on top of the royalty that you'll already be earning for any sales of your books. Now, even better, you'll also be eligible for affiliate commissions on any of the other purchases a customer makes within 24 hours of clicking on your affiliate link. Probably the most important thing to remember about using low content books to grow your audience, build your brand, and increase your revenue is that you'll need to think in the long term. Adding books to your business offerings won't create instant audience of thousands, make your brand a household name, or make your revenue skyrocket overnight, but they can be a valuable tool in your brand building and marketing tool belts. Like most things, you'll start off small and build steam slowly over time. But most importantly, you'll be building an audience of qualified leads who are legitimately interested in what you have to offer, potentially leading to further sales of your current core offerings. I hope this video helped you understand how adding low content books to your business offerings can help you move the needle forward to grow your audience, build your brand, and increase your revenue. If the idea of selling low content books is new to you and you'd like to learn more, download my free guide that I've already mentioned, 3 steps to publishing your first low content book in less than a day. Down in the description below, you can also join my free Facebook group, Low Content Profits, also linked to below. And next you can check out this video so that you can learn how to make 20K plus per month as a content creator. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, share it with anyone else who you think might be interested. Thanks so much for watching. See you next week.